Good morning. This is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and we are back today for our second drawing for the set of black and white sticky stamping polish by SheModern.com. Tina has graciously sent me enough sets to have two giveaways a month from August to January. So girls, you need to rush right over and start entering this giveaway on any SheModern Saturday video. You must be 18 years of age or older, live in the USA. Share either this video, or not this video. Share my posts on Instagram. You can screenshot a SheModern Saturday video and share it that way. But I'm responsible for shipping, that's why it's USA only, and I'm terribly sorry about that. But first and foremost, you must be subscribed to my channel. And you must not already own this. This isn't to replenish your stock that you already had. This is for brand new people that have not yet ventured into SheModern territory, to introduce them to sticky stamping polish. It is a total 100% game changer in the stamping world. So we are going to have our giveaway. I always draw out of a hat. We've got 3 entries. 3 little entries. I'm kind of disappointed that more women did not, more people, could be guys too doing nails, did not enter my giveaway. So I'm gonna shake up all 3 names. I'm gonna draw 1 lucky winner. If you've already entered, you don't need to re-enter. Your names will carry over from one drawing to the next. Whoever this is, I congratulate you. Good luck to all 3 of you ladies. You have until Wednesday, 9 a.m. to contact me. Or I will pick someone else. I'm pretty sure you're going to contact me, ladies, right? Right? So here we go. Put my glasses on so I can see. Mary Makeup and More too. She's really been wanting to win this too. She's prime candidate for this. She's just started to do nails. She does makeup. So this is going to be a great asset to her. Mary, congratulations. I am so very happy for you. And I know you're going to be ecstatic. You've been wanting to win this so badly. So I'm really happy. Congratulations. The other 2 ladies, don't fret. There's always September 1st coming around the corner that you can get your name in and you can win too. So again, congratulations, Mary. Contact me before Wednesday morning and this puppy is yours. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.